birthday to you. Yeah. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. 생일 축하합니다.
Keep the lights on.
Keep the lights on. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey boy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah. Hey.
Quiet, please. Can I have a silence?
Keep quiet, keep quiet. Okay. Speech.
And this happens to be a very special night para sa ating lahat, between you and me, Jans.
Slang, ha?
Lahat.
Slang.
Everything. I got your dad right now, yung papa mo nandito. Kasama ko lahat ang aking mga friends.
I wanna get this close.
Get closer.
And
I'm gonna wait for it.
all my life. In all my life, this happens to be the very special happenings na nangyari sa akin sa buhay ko, kasi you're like, you inspired me and everything. Binigay mo lahat, yung oras mo, and I'm so happy with that. And
Slang, bro.
lahat ng mga
Slang.
I mean, lahat ng mga lahat ng mga bagay na gusto ko, like, may mga likes,
Don't crack that shit.
mga likes and unlikes. Kahit unlikes na, nilikes niya pa rin. Kasi alam nyo,
I like the
ako
one.
talaga,
Storya yan.
so many times na ako nagkakamali sa kanya. Hindi scripted to, sinasabi ko yung totoo. That fell in love with her in the first time
Don't
na
cry.
nakilala ko siya. Kasi
Don't cry.
ngayon lang ako naging happy.
He's crying.
Ngayon na, naging happy ako.
I think tears gonna fall.
Kasi ngayon pa lang, ngayon kong naramdaman yung yung tunay na blessing ng Diyos sa akin. Kasi
Kasi wala eh.
Happy ako talaga.
He's gonna
Lalo
cry.
na kilala ko kayo.
He's gonna cry now.
And I know I'm a playboy.
You're a
Playboy ako.
playboy.
Sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Magbago ka na! You have to change!
Kasi I have to change, and I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it just because I have a lot of relationship before.
Pop on the background.
Yeah.
Pop is in the background right now. Pop,
That's
look
what
at
I'm
it.
talking about.
Pop is in the background right now.
Dabu, Danny, thank you so much, and you're the only ones gonna.
He's gonna cry. Look. He's
and
crying
I'll
right
be-
now. I think it's okay.
You can understand me. Even I can talk Filipino,
He's shaking,
Tagalog, Pero ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, masaya ako ngayon kasi ngayon lang ako sasabihin ko pinakamaligaya ako na nakilala ko si Jans. Kasi siya yung babae na rumispeto sa akin, siya yung
This
nagbigay
the one.
sa akin ng
It's coming
inspirasyon. Siya yung nagbigay ng paraan kung paano ako nagbago. So,
We
yun.
believe that.
Kasi alam nyo naman, nakita nyo na. And this is the right time. I'm gonna tell you, I'm in the right age right now para sabihin sa kanya na
Can you stare up at this guy?
nandito na ako sa harap mo para sabihin sa iyo na mahal kita. Mahal kita, it doesn't mean na sinabi lang sa akin ng kaibigan ko, na sinabi lang sa akin in front of my parents, sinabi lang sa akin ng papa mo, sinabi lang sa akin lahat
It's gonna
sila.
be sweet.
Minamahal kita just because
I like it. Pretty good
nandito.
speech.
Nandito lahat. Yung nandito lahat. And everything. I'm not perfect. I do a lot of shit before, but right now, it's just happened, you know. Sometimes I'm stupid. I'm like
You're crying, bro.
drunk or something, but I can change. I can change. Not because of my friends, just because of you.
That's proud.
It's because it's not your birthday. I mean, it's not only your birthday.
What is it?
This is the only thing that I'm gonna tell you. If you really respect me, if you're in love with me, I'm gonna tell you something.
Right.
Kiss!
Yeah!
Grabe na iyak ako.
Yes! Pulintan, gapod, will you?
There you go.
Yeah, that's it! I love it! There you go, my boy!
Will you marry me?
There you
Yes,
go!
yes, yes.
There you go! There you go, man!
I think I'm gonna cry.
I might.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, my brother, my mother! I guess, man!
Come on now, I'm a big ass.
How about a round of applause?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
I love it. I love this.
And pop on the background.
Yeah.
I'm happy for you guys.
I love you.
I'm happy for you guys.
What?
Pretty good
Blessing.
speech,
Thank
bro.
you for the blessing that.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you to all my friends.
This is
Danny.
This is
Especially my 2 decades. Kuyas.
Hey, what's up, guy?
Kuya Jake.
Am I that one? Fuck me, I'm too
Bye.
old for this
Yeah,
shit.
I really appreciate it, guys. And
Hey, what's up? What's up, Mr. What's up, Mr.
Ryan! We got Gio, we got Richard, thank you so
Say hi, girls.
You're the best kasama kita. The best
Nah.
and everything, okay?
You marry me?
And also,
Look at us. Boys in the club. Do you got your fuck you? Beat this if you can. Yeah.